load line is nothing but a 10 0 0 comma 10 milliamps, and the coordinate for x axis is nothing but a 10 comma 0. Okay, now we have to find out a slope. Okay, so from this one, so 10 divided by here RL is nothing but a 10 power 3, right, by using a first equation. Okay, so ID into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 10 power 3. I dividing this whole entire this equation by a load resistance, that is nothing but a 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so 10 volts is there, 10 divided by 10 power 3, and ID into 10 power of 3 divided by 10 power 3 plus here it is a VD is there, VD by 10 power 3. Okay, so here getting this ID to here, this will get cancelled. ID which is equals to minus VD by 10 power 3 plus 10 by 10 power 3. Like put as it is. So here it is a second is equation. So the slope is minus 1 by 10 power 3. Okay, so here it is a minus 1 by RL. So here it is nothing but a slope which is an negative 1. So we get a straight line equation. So this equation is also a straight line and which is a negative 1. Okay, so we need to draw a diagram. So we need to consider a graph. Okay, for that to get a value of this operating point, so we must consider a graph. Okay, so let us consider. So there is no graph available here, so that's why I am taking. Okay, so I will give an example by using a graph also, but for now I am considering this one. So here it is a ID in milliamps, so VD in volts. Okay, so here it is a 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10. Okay, so here it is a voltage value and here it is a current values. Okay, 1 2 3 4 milliamps, 5 milliamps, 6 7 8 9 milliamps, 10 milliamps. Okay, and so here it is a point, so here we has a 0.7. So these are the characteristics. So VI characteristics of diode. So 0.7 also for a silicon. So we need to consider a graph, but there is no availability of graph. That's why I'm considering like this one. If you use the graph, then we get a perfect values. Okay, so VI characteristics. VI characteristics of diode. Nothing but we know characteristics of diode is nothing but ID is equals to IS into e power VD by eta VT minus 1, right? So this is a solution for a VI characteristics. From this one only we get a this VI characteristics, right? So load line is given as, so the coordinates here is a 0 comma 10 milliamps, right, on y axis, and x axis 10 comma 0. Okay, so let us consider x is equals to, and here it is a y is equals to. So put here. Okay, so this is a y axis coordinate and this is a x axis coordinate. Okay, after joining these two, okay, so here it is a joining point. So this intersection point we call as a Q point. Okay, so by using graph we get a values. Okay, something like 9.2 milliamps comma 0.8 volts. So here it is an operating point. So if you use a graph, then we get a perfect values. So now there is no availability of graph, so that's why I am using this analytical solution, and this is nothing but a So we know that this is nothing but a id is equals to minus vd by rl plus v by rl. So here it is a straight line solution, and here it is a vi characteristics of diode. Okay, so we need to find out the solution for these two, but here we are having an exponential one, so there is difficult to get a analytical solution. For that reason only we use a graphical representation. Okay, so you have a doubt that why we are using a graphical method, because the solution to get this exponential to this straight line is a very difficult one. Okay, so for that reason we use a graphical one. So by using that only we get a operating point. Okay, so this is an easiest point. So 9.2 milliamps to, so the operating point q point is given as, so that is nothing but a vdq comma idq. So here it is a 0.8 comma 9.2. Okay, so here it is a volts and here it is a milliamps. So this is an operating point, and the question is given that voltage across the resistors. Okay, we need to find out the voltage across the resistor. Okay, so for that one we need to find out by using this KVL only we get the value of a voltage across the resistor. Okay, so here, so 10 minus id into 10 power 3, applying KVL to the circuit. Okay, so minus vd which is equals to 0. Okay, so 10 is equals to id into 10 power 3 plus vd. Okay, we need to find out the voltage across the resistance. Okay, so voltage across the resistance. So here we know that this for the silicon vd value is nothing but a 0.7. Okay, voltage across the diode is nothing but a 0.7, that is nothing but a cut-in voltage. Okay, 10 is equals to id into 10 power 3 plus 0.7 volts. Okay, so this 10 minus 0.7 will give rise to a id into 10 power 3. Okay, so 10 minus 0.7 is nothing but a 9.3. So which is equals to id, if 10 power 3 is comes here, so id is equals to 9.3 milliamps. Okay, so we know the current inside the circuit, that is nothing but 9.3 milliamps, and the resistance value is 1 kilo ohm. So we need to find out the voltage across this resistance. So current is known, so from this one we get a value as a VR is equals to id into RL. So id is given as 9.3 milliamps into 10 cube. So milliamps and 10 cube get cancelled, we get a